In this video, I will show you how to fix this DLL missing error on Windows 11. So you need to open command prompt CMD. Now right click on it and run as administrator. Now write this command line regsvr32 space resampledmo.dll. Then press enter. Now here click on OK. Exit and restart. After restart, again open CMD. Run as administrator. Now type this command sfc space /scan now. Press enter, and once this scanning process complete, again restart and reboot your PC or laptop. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method works for you.